akpe Everlove TV mi eba adore mi agbole egba panka kamam agbobe enu ade nyanu ke adore Everlove TV gilen keke mo ike it's a miracle nyebe enu yon jojom the Everlove pe mi alum jojom re mi aji agbobe within is it November I'm sure it's November Emodogo alo December Emodogo Dr. Damali. He's one of a kind of mono video I shoot me yoko bomb yoko bo Everlove maha remember and this man took my number that very day. Now because I know people always take my number. I'm on your number. And this man, I thought it's a normal thing. I'm on your number. It's normal thing. And in case you got post na consistency man, I'm post my figure. It's like me pomo. Naturally, I don't post consistently because the cover time I post na no more. I feel. You see a guy on a code of wide of one and I meeting on no more. Kuma gobe you're in the USA, you're on your video kaka, you mega warm consistency with that. On your number, Tamia Dogo, Nuka Yatan Wako Perenyamuha. And Malpul Betofon Kuma. Boma Nyaha, on your number. Seriously speaking, ask me Bobloma, Yasumaga Legio, no ko yom. Ko ayo yoma, yo yombo, yala fiala, no mava akpoye. Why you don't bola pomo? You put me no, you do job, you do job, could I leko job my way? I feel one anya do my walk. I leave me out and a long room. And the magmaga connect in your pack play Stella Chanel, hope for number conam on the spot. And this is a man within I don't know if more in affair within some 1 minute you could point your number cover. This is the man that sees me but Matian Wodoya. Yeah, this is what I can do to promote myself. Look at your work and Anumaka. Everyone will propose that I and look away here no mako wodoa. No dona you don't go baha. Come on propose that I specify a new gmail. And Yanto propose that Yanto Mongolaya, but Mongolino, but our Magangolin no more. Must specify no matter a gouder ha and into Ganam direction, but my this is a man who wanted to help from the heart. Seriously, you must be Mayoa Gano and Bagio because I'm Melakata Doyle and Fiamania Pobo, I may meet him. Let me do my future Angolaga Vado. I'm more like fear they can help as usual. Kaka, odumotora come on no more. Mareva bom kuvo. The next day kuvo. A yombo mava pomo. Nyamo foga ajijo. Bango propose ane. And one more ton. Yo flokodo them. Mayide airport evawa ho. Majijo. Mike nya road Mike. Dua Mike ya. Enye jidegala gbene do because e kato anana yaba no ka dem la fiade and Africa mic now brand new. Nyamako villa anga maharako. This is the mic of Flokonam. This is the mic I'm a Flokonam. And any pet dodgy dagger, a cat doa aga in gogba. Let me I feel GoPro, any GoPro the kaika. And we come up Mr. Damali, whenever Dr. Damali. Sorry. Dr. Damali, whenever GoPro, I must specify by Hero 9. Oliver Epic Pama, my benefit Hero 9. I can Dr. Maflo Hero 9. I've played Hero 11. Hero 11, you play Covenam and Oflocodam and my yes, young Polo. This is Everlove TV. Jagbana subscribe to Everlove TV on YouTube. Ne miapo wana onyane yike adango ba asema gbolom no a mo vora afmolo drone upload drone akokodo dam yasala alonu pola drone I make a bomb within 1 minute ko kwanya number bo Everlove leke yenyo do leke yime ayima mava afema na ya pom mia wole ke mia dada hun leke ma wo gafia atu nyepe enu anu nye ha ma ba wo doi ma wo kwe wo do nya ha matiama employ amade is a way of employing na yenya afla drone nam on the spot ejo le do amama mekare be jo aya e the 2 weeks afi oplanu akodo na mu try the US am the 2 weeks afi oplanu akodo na mu no polo enu ka kuma jibe mi ya wona am kwenye be within the comment section show the love, show that love for me over there. Me Dr. Damali po video ya or comment section wanyebe enu gando wonam la agbamo. And this has changed me a lot. It's going to change me everything. Your channel is going to change seriously. And now it's like I'm beginning to be emotional right now because this is something I'm very agile within this time. So mauna yira Dr. Damali be ojawagba apom. I don't know but all the time I put more on your video lalo. Akum mangba manya no kedon bo mai de for enu yamawa or video of mama over video you could pom. So Dr. Damali but that probably no but na jawagba pom. You believe in what I'm doing. Pebe ani omala enu nyaro nya atian ko atudu kunyero atian ko am tondo akokpere nyan mia wo anya do mia no for han mia no no kuma broba but that no blibo bana jawagba wonu yanam ye mangulo gabala nyagbama pop. I will never forget this in my life. I'm majenu agoma. Nobody has shown love as how you did. Nobody has shown love. I'm o jawagba be you are actual love. But agapa nyawe so no you breaka over no na mi ko motenga yina ji kuma broba amodo no magbahanam definitely you support na vivi. With the love you shown me, with the drone, Gopro, the mic, and proposal, you let me know, but and no my also so me no go buy him ya probably kai me we aga flow ha doctor that no blibo banata na jagba wo he anam mauna yiraw and comment section am no pala ma jom ya show that yes abaleko no na enu ye over you have to unbox it for any video anonyi but kana don kuji ya marana kpo aslong chuma. Today we are about to unbox these 3 items over here. Ike me hidego awi akwaleko wona do pletomo ko Everlove TV jagba na subscribe to our channel on YouTube and be part of this great family. And then Facebook like page share na mare be vie to YouTube fuma ye mi oha mi adetati mi aye mi wanye na mi oha so jagba like page and I can subscribe to our channel on YouTube Everlove TV and be part of this great family because we are ready with all this thing. We are ready to give you great content. Be me unbox a mic agma mic rod mic that you go so me a room abaleko no nada Majiba wavuvo kaka mia vuvi vieko yes oui bag vi ama e momo foga kodwe e shai wanoma afini manyina fiara akwirashi akayo yo kokperon to connect to the camera pletomowa akawa wenye yo kawenye enya no ka rod mic with USB-C type na ma kanye Android Apple iPod pletomo kata opa cable la fia kuma brother it's very nice thing tiriri Yes. Yenye. The wireless mic. So this with one of them has the mic, and then one of them have the mic to yenye heyo, and then this is the transmitter receiver yenye, and then transmitter yenye. So Everlove TV. If you have mic back banton to let me achi. Ika mi ano zazam to that so that me apa do na nyenu ika ano very good and very sharp. Dr. Damali once again akbe no. This nice one over there. So this is the first thing you can me unbox. Ta mi apa kwa adari. Yes, anuva valia enyi. Ika magulwa Gopro Hero 11. Ika mi unbox gala gapopo yama ika ya na kwa enyi. Oh wow. Ala agbavi ma ha. Agbavi pori ara mula. Gopro. Ba. USB cord lemon. And you na ko a fix it enu ya nwa o katanye. Yo. Your battery anye. It has 2 battery. You can spare on achi. Battery bantonye. Bevelianye. Bulbe nana viare la wike ako alarashi. So that is it. Enye ani vi pori ara ku atama plele gbeto adeni kuma golba nye enu are ke it is not common. But mana afla nu yon akona. So now let's come to another valuable. Yes, Mother, any Antodogi. Yes, GoPro Hero 11. And a way sharp. Akwe Pirim GoPro Hero 11. Yenye, it is one of a kind. I'm a jagba planuya kono with this thing. Onye la fiale. Elema ha card lemo. Ika this card it gonna allow to cover everything you wanted to cover. So it's one of a kind, but I'm gonna jagba planuya kono. So ekba me unbox me unbox. I have a mic. And the mic came and was the GoPro. I want to tell you, I want brand new drone, Mini 3. Because one of the biggest things you can find for 2024. You just going to play Jirudu song. Once again, Dr. Damali. We were new Katava Batu Ashinimo. Da, me here, I have a gun, and me upon you to Lamada. So, Jagba, subscribe to Everlove TV on YouTube and be part of this great family. We are here to give you great content. Hey, yawo eta mi agbagba ya ojem Dr. Damali. Jagba pele New York Oven. Let me home ya follow channel a subscribe. But me first be me for one on anya nuke adengogbe. Subscribe to Everlove TV on YouTube. And another video upon that notification the on. Akpa me in me unbox here. So me here I have yes. Near Vivo. Hey, branding low. Param, this is the drone. Hey, I'm quite a kuma hafa. But Agbavima how low. Oh, Agbavini. Akpara nwa kawe ya. Okay. Yo battery. Alma battery ya. Kayo kana ko connect na no ya kple. Aha, screwdriver vi yaro ko kpara. Yo propeller so enye yo. Omo veya which is 22. Oko card ha ko kpara. Kayo kana ako connect na o phone enya na connect gana o phone akwa kpala yo nuya enyi yo controller enyi anu ya iha la gbavi mo lo iha gbavi mo le okay agbavi enyi ojuma ra agbavi adogo kaka okay oli ran ta agbavi mo le iha enyi so unpolo abale mi pe a subscribe to the channel Everlove TV plus when you put no na anye nuke adangogbo subscribe hey yota Dr. Damali Kobo o nia awona na wanye hunto we can have a great thing out of it. Dagba subscribe to Everlove TV on YouTube and be part of this great family. Akpa.
Hey, what's up? Lekenya domia miakata ni mo kponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy Everlove TV. Ya lem kuranwe. All right.